the definition of a function is it's a relation where every input has one output. That means when you plug a number in for x, you can only get one possible number out for y. Okay, so like in this first relation here, they want us to say whether it's a function. If you plug in a 1 for x, you can pick any number to start playing around with it, to start getting an idea. If you plug in 1, then 7 times 1 makes 7. There's only one possible output for y. Y has to equal 7, okay? So that means it's looking like a function. We didn't get two possible numbers for y. And if you plug in, like if you try a negative number, if you plug in, negative 2, okay, 7 times negative 2 is negative 14, that's fine. Y can equal negative 14, okay? So every input is getting one output. Or another way to look at it is if you graph a function, like if you graph y equals 7x, which I'll do for you in just a second in Desmos, it looks something like this. Okay, it's a function looking at it graphically if it passes the vertical line test. That means if you can draw any vertical line and it only touches one spot on the graph, then it's got to be a function. Okay, so if you draw a vertical line there, it only touches that red line once. Vertical line here only touches one place. Vertical line here. You can't imagine a vertical line that touches more than one place. So this is a function, okay? Oh, there should be a way, but function is why we should choose that one. Okay, so here's what you can do with this next one. X plus 3y equals 6. Let's go to desmos.com. Oops. And if you graph the function in Desmos, it only crosses one place, okay, with the vertical line test. If you draw a vertical line right here, it only touches the graph once. So let's look at, so that is a function, basically, is what that means. Let's try to look at one where it isn't going to be a function here. X equals 5y squared minus 3. Let's punch that in Desmos. X equals 5y squared, what was it, minus 3? 5y squared minus 3. Okay, yeah, so if you graph this, look, if I draw a vertical line right on top of the 10, it's going to cross two places. It's going to cross here, and it's going to cross here, that vertical line. So this is not a function. Okay, we would check not a function for this one. And then you can check the last one, x equals negative 9y. To find out if it's a function, it should pass that vertical line test. Okay. What did I say, negative 9y? Yeah, any vertical line just passes once. Okay, so that is a function. So that's one way. You just plug in the equation into Desmos, and it should only cross once with a vertical line.